I'm gonna show you the top 5 categories for e-commerce products in the Middle East. However, this is not the main topic of today's video. In today's video, I want to show you 3 new trends of products that are not going to be saturated in Amazon in 2025. I'm not just going to show you the general trends, I'm also going to show you examples of products that you can launch right now on Amazon in the Middle East. Welcome back to the channel. Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. If you are a loyal subscriber of the channel, then you already know we are a certified partner for Amazon and specifically focused on Amazon in the Middle East. Before we jump straight into it, congratulations to this week's winner. You have won a one-on-one call with me where we can discuss all of your Amazon related questions. If you want to be next week's winner, all you need to do is to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and leave us a nice comment or any question in the comment section below. And as always, if you need one-on-one support, you want to work with us to help support your Amazon journey, make sure that you reach out to the team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, and you'll be able to book a call, understand a little bit more of how we can help and support you. Here are the top 5 e-commerce categories on Amazon. As you can see, fashion being the dominant category. However, in today's video, like I said in the introduction, we're not just going to specifically talk about these categories. We're going to talk about 3 emerging trends of products that you can sell right now on Amazon. Starting off with trend number 1, sustainable and eco-friendly products. In fact, we see that the global eco-friendly market is projected to reach $325 million by the year 2027. That's a lot of eco-friendly products. Not only that, we've seen an increase and growing demand specifically in the Middle East on search terms that we find users use on Amazon. It has increased by around 32% year on year. And that's primarily fueled, of course, by all of the initiatives that the UAE government has launched for sustainability. Now, what are some eco-friendly product ideas that you can sell? Here we go. Here are some examples, some of which you have already seen probably, but some are new and have a certain twist. Silicone reusable food bags. How about some bamboo cutlery for kids or for adults? Organic cotton baby products. Reusable grocery bags, but let's make it a little bit different by adding personalization or by adding some Arabic calligraphy. Trend number 2, personalization. Yes, personalized products and shopping is increasingly in demand. According to a study by McKinsey, 71% of consumers want a certain type of personalization in their products. Now, we also know that gifts and personalized items become very much increasingly in demand, actually part of the top 5 search categories during peak seasons on Amazon UAE as well as Amazon KSA. Here are some easy products. How about some customized phone cases, customized and personalized notebooks, or even my favorite, personalized pet products where you can provide pet bowls, pet collars that are a little bit more personalized. Now, here it's going to become a little bit difficult when you're providing these types of products on Amazon, because as you know, on Amazon in the Middle East, we can't actually personalize the product before sending it over to the customer. So you need to be creative in how you're going to create these products where you can create them and have them personalized, but in bulk. And then whenever the customer orders the product, we just follow the FBA process. Trend number 3, passionate buyers. And here we're talking about niche markets with passionate buyers. What are some examples? First of all, there is a growing demand for niche products. We see an 18% year-on-year growth for very specific niche type of products. Evergreen hobbies or hobby-based niches being a very profitable type of category. We also have mini niches from things that go trending or viral, products that go trending or viral on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. What are some examples and what do we mean by niches? Before I show you some examples, if you're not really sure of what a niche actually is, Let me give you some information. So a niche could be a product or a service, but it has to follow and adhere these 5 main rules. First of all, it needs to have low competition, professionally or personally satisfying, specifically if it's a product, high profit potential, solves a practical need or an actual problem, and has strong market demand. So you want to have a combination of all of those 5 elements. Here are some cool examples. Again, going back to the pet niche, I think there's such a big demand for pet products currently in the Middle East, specifically UAE and Saudi Arabia. But here we've combined 2 things. We've combined the pet niche with sustainable and customized products. Eco-friendly products or fitness products, fitness niche being extremely in demand in the UAE, specifically that people tend to take care of their health a lot. Niches can be general, such as a yoga mat, or specific and trending, such as paddle products or even tennis products that are now taking over the world again. Coffee lovers, such as me, also that niche is very unique. You can maybe create unique sets and sell maybe Arabic coffee sets as well. Let me know which trend resonates the most with you. Is it trend number 1, number 2, or number 3? Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know which one was your favorite trend. Personally, I love trend number 2, which is personalized products. As always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.